Hello everyone, I want to show you, I just encountered this. It's a grease oven door. It's on the inside, so this is a glass. As you can see, there's a bunch of grease marks. All I've done right now is just sprayed it with my vinegar and water, but it's gonna need a much tougher job than that. This cleaning agent won't be able to take it off. So I want to show you my razor blade scraper. This is when it comes handy for these type of jobs, and you can easily clean your oven door at home with just a razor blade. Okay, so just watch this, and you start to see and hear all those little grease bumps coming off. Okay, let me do it this way so you see. Let me clean my razor blade. And you can see it. Can you see it? Yep. Okay, you can see it coming off much faster than going to the store and buying a powerful chemical cleaner just to get these grease marks off. But you can just easily do it with a razor blade at home. You don't have to use water and vinegar particularly, but I like to keep it organic, and so that's what I use. But you can use any multi-purpose and it'll work the same. The razor blade is just the most important part, the scraper. Just when you're scraping, make sure you keep an angle on your razor blade so you don't scratch the glass. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty simple to do. And especially for vacation rentals where we don't have a bunch of time to be messing around, this is a quick fix. And so yeah, razor blade, very handy. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. But now you can see everything's come off, and I'll do a picture. Okay, all right, see you later. Bye bye.